two. Happy Halloween. And have we got a treat in store for you? Anybody that's dressed up can speak to my glamorous assistant Roberto. We'll give you a raffle ticket because you can't win the raffle if you haven't bought a ticket. You're entitled to a free shot. We've laid it all out for you. We've put out all the stops. We've got Liam Gallagher on first.
Yes.
Yeah. It's been a little while since we've done this. We've had the Jolly Boys Day out. Come on back now. Munch 2. Joey, take it away.
Emptiness is a liquid pool. Inside my body hurts when it's right. Your big fat lips, they go and scream. You fry and melt, style up and sleep.
Munch 2, Munch 2. Go on then, Joey.
Mate,
introduce the man.
Now then, everyone, you're about to listen to you. Woo! Come on.
Go on, sir.
Yeah.
She goes out with her mate Stella, gets bored all over a fella, cause she says money ain't no better than the next man kicking up fuss. Drunk she stumbles down by a river, streams scored in London. None of us heard it coming, guess the carpet were all out. Her lingo went from the cockney to the gringo. Every time she sings, so many other girls sing along and telling all the fellas that the lady is single. Fickle with a tickle on my young mouse tickle. She suffered doing what she liked, and them all out, and now she drowned drunk souls. She stole both, didn't like facts, but at the same time understood the fellas will be fellas till the end of time. Telephone will ring again. Hello my dearest and old friend. Things don't go your way since you're fighting like a liberty. All your lights will come again to tell you like that. Now I know, I know we're just friends. But my dear, the feeling's coming back. And I'm tired of the chief station of midnight. So now when you go for, tell me you're a keeper. Not about to lie down for your cause. You don't pull my strings, cause I'm a better man, moving up to better things. But oh, I know baby, cause she moved to her way. But oh, she came to my show to hear about my day. Laughs and jokes around, and then the squirrels in the kitchen, yeah, to get things off the ground and the good. Up and away, oh, it's right hard to remember that song. It's still like today when you're.
Next up, we've got Phil for you. She's a bless open mic regular, absolute regular. So everyone, massive round of applause for Phil.
Big up Uncle Fester on the DJ decks as well. 2 fingers up, look at that. 2 finger Fester, 2 finger Fester. So Phil's someone that's been coming to our open mic night for a little while now, and it's always a pleasure to hear it, so if you won't mind taking it away, Phil. We're still selling raffle tickets, by the way.
Another headlight slowly, child is slowly taken. Violence causes silence, we must be mistaken. It's the same old thing since 1916. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are crying. In your head, zombies. bet there's rich folks singing in a fancy dining car. They're probably sipping coffee and smoking big cigars. So I do I hide it come here just you wait and see. Well, I hear my lonesome whistle, and that's what tortures me. Why don't you still take a pill when I'm a bitch? And you can still make it, I'll be the rich. Stop not too serious, I'll put you feelings.
I have reason to believe this has been the blessed open mic. Thank you once again, everybody, for coming. Dressed up, dressed down, dressed like a clown. Doesn't really matter.
You lot have been absolutely bang on. Thank you very much. We'll catch you next month. Nice one.